This is DeskFlow running on a Windows desktop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and set it up step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you can follow along and get this working on your system. First, go to the DeskFlow GitHub page. Click on the code button, then select Download Zip. This will download the full project to your system. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and extract it. This will create a new folder containing all the project files. Before running the project, make sure Python is installed on your system. Open Command Prompt and type Python -- version. If Python is installed, you'll see the version displayed. If Python is not installed, go to the official Python website, download the latest version, and install it. Make sure to check the option that says Add Python to Path during installation. This step is important so you can run Python from the command line. Now open Command Prompt inside the extracted DeskFlow folder. First, install the required dependencies using the requirements file, then run the main script to start DeskFlow. Once everything loads, the widget should appear on your desktop. Once everything is set up, DeskFlow will run directly on your desktop. You can now use and customize the widgets based on your workflow. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up DeskFlow. Subscribe for more practical tech projects and tutorials.